Let's go to play Rocky Jelly. What happened here? It's a whole mess of leaves. So just back to the wall with a book cow. Oh no. What? Is this 0311? Okay. Oh, hello eyelash. So, what is that? Back to the world. No! Come on, bro. Eyelash. More easy than life. Macho. What? Oh wait, no, we have to hold this. Macho. Stuck in the wall with a pizza roll. The wall. The wall with a pizza roll. Let's just. Oh, the pizza old. Alex, I just got stuck to the door with a pizza dough. Play out the game. What is it? It's not this. What's that? It's popsicle stack. Oh no! Ooh. Maybe we should do yesterday. Not jellyfish. Like drawing. Hot play. Okay.
Come on.
We will go on a trip on a favorite truck trip. We're going on a trip on a favorite truck trip. No.
Come on here.
Go fast. Go fast. Are you serious right now, bro? Skip. No.
Doon niyo pa may pang pulot. Ay, kalimutan natin tulog mo ito. Ang bangat na tulog. Ay, bangat tulog ata niyo na eh.
What's this for?
Patong di nga to.
We're going at it.
Patagarit na nga itong tikwa. Madita, igitag sa pre. Samati pagbatayan na.
Tigo. No. Let's go on the top of this game.
Nakatabuha.
Sabog. go on a trip on a favorite rocket ship. How did you... Wow!
Di kinita kami natin ni binalay lang ah.
That's the end. That's the end. That's the end.